All right. Hello, everybody. Hello, good morning. Hello to who's ever joining. More the merrier. Yes. Hello. Hi. Hi, Aryan. Hi, Srinivas. Hello, good morning. Vansh Latia. Hello, Samay. Hello, Namita Diora Gupta. Hi. Hello, you know me. Hi, Samay. Good morning. Oh, this is so good. Hello, everybody. Welcome everyone on this beautiful day. It's 19th of December, Goa's Liberation Day today. Good morning everyone. Good morning. It is celebrated to honor the Indian Armed Forces who freed the state of Goa from the Portuguese in 1961. I am fine, Samay. How are you? Hi, Darshan, Nikhil. Hello, everyone. It's so overwhelming to see all of you here. Now, this is Goa's Liberation Day today and one of the most significant days in the history of Goa. Good morning everyone. Hi, Gaurav. Hello, Waves. Hi, hello, Manan. Hi. Yes, hello everyone. Anya, hi, Ankesh. Good morning. It's lovely to see you all. Hi, hello, Yajat. In case I missed someone, please don't mind. I am looking at everyone and I'm very happy that everyone's here. Just that it's too fast. So, hi, hello. Hi, I am Prachi Shetty here and I am really excited that you guys are here and I am excited that I am here with you. Hello, hi. Hello, hi, Aditya. Hi. So here we are introducing Mindbender's Instagram live quiz for all of you. Hi, this is Hriday. Hi, Yash. Hello, hi. So this quiz is going to be really interesting for you too, because it's a lot of knowledge to know about your country, the world, the space, and so on. Every fortnight, we will have this mind-boggling quiz on different topics. You could suggest and share the topics on this page. Hi, Aditya. Hi, hello. You could share your favorite topics on this page and you could win amazing gift vouchers. Now, isn't it cool? Hello, Aditya. So, today's quiz, which is very interesting. Hi, Swaroop. Bhagwatula. I mean, please don't mind. Hi. So, today's quiz is quite interesting because it is about planets. You love space, very good. So, how well do you know your neighbors in the solar system? Now, this is the quiz about. And obviously, if you ask me, I know quite a bit about the space, about the planets. Well, if you think about it, I know that you all will do a fab job with the quiz by answering all the questions. Waves, Shrida, waves. You will do a fab job with the quiz by answering all the questions correctly. But let's see who gets it first and fast and correctly. Okay, that's the catch. So the rules of the quiz that will be followed are: there will be 15 questions asked and each question will have 4 options. And you will get around 15 seconds to answer each question. All you need to do is to write the question number and the option number. So remember this, there is only the question number and the option number. You don't have to write the answers. Fine. And the names of the 3 winners, Waves, Bidisha, Waves, hi, hello. The names of the 3 winners of today's quiz will be posted on the page tomorrow. Okay, so who will win the vouchers? It will be posted tomorrow, not today. Yes, so hold on to your horses as we will welcome the Mindbenders. So we'll have to wait just a little while they all come in. So we are waiting for a few more and then we can all start. This is just wonderful. I'm sure you are all having a good time looking after yourselves. Vihu Gupta. Okay, I'll repeat myself. I am saying this is just wonderful. Anju Mumbai, hello, hi. I'm sure you all are having a very good time looking after yourselves. Anya, hello, Ved, hi. And your family, because it's kind of a terrible time for all of us in the world right now. But 2021 is not too far away, and I hope it gets us very good things, right? So, Kapil Sharma, you know me, yes miss, yes, you do agree, good. So, but 2021 is not too far away, and we are almost there with the quiz, ready to rock and roll and play this beautiful, interesting, adventurous, knowledge se bhara hua game, Mind Benders, Insta Live Quiz. So all you mind benders, are you ready for the quiz on planets? How would I know? So you will have to do something to show that you are ready. Okay, give me a thumbs up for it, please. Come on, give me a thumbs up, everyone who's ready. Come on, everyone, thumbs up. Aditya, you're excited for 2021? Yes, we are too. Yes, Samay. Okay, I need everyone's thumbs up. Yes, let's get cracking. Come on. Yay, thumbs up, everyone. Fine. Now, kindly remember one thing. Oh, lots of thumbs up coming my way. Very nice. Yes, Vansh Latia. Yes, Manan. Okay, kindly remember, all you need to do is type the question number and the option number. Okay, that is all you need to do. Fine. So question number 1 coming your way. Here it is. Get ready, everyone. All the best. The question says, which planet is known for the great red spot? I repeat the question again. Which planet is known for the great red spot? The options are 1. Jupiter, option number 2, Saturn, option number 3, Neptune, and option number 4, Uranus. Okay, yes, very good. More answers. Come on, we need more correct answers. You have to write the question number and option 1. Option 1, 2, 3, 4. Anyhow, this is nice. Good going. Superb. Bravo, everyone. This is just wonderful. Great. So, time's up for this question. Okay, let's get on to the second question, which is, okay, let's go on to the second question. Now, please follow the drill. I said question number and option number is mandatory. You cannot just give the answers. You have to write the question number and the option number for all those who are just writing the options. Okay, let's continue with the second question now. Which planet in the solar system has the highest density? I repeat the question. Which planet in the solar system has the highest density? Option number 1, Earth. Option number 2, Uranus. Option number 3, Neptune. And option number 4, Jupiter. If anybody wants me to repeat the question, you got to tell me fast, as we are limited with time for every question. Oh, lovely. Just amazing. Expecting more correct answers. Wow. Y'all are just superb. Great. Wow. So, but you need to be fast. That's the trick here. Fast and correct. Okay. So let's get cracking with the third question. Now I saw someone also writing the answer as Earth. You're not supposed to do that. Just write the option number. It will save your time. Okay. So henceforth only the question number and the option number. So we move on to question number 3. So let's get cracking with the third question. And here it is. Which of the planet is the largest planet of the solar system according to size? I repeat the question again. which of the planet is the largest planet of the solar system according to size? Okay, and here goes the options. Option number 1, Saturn. Option number 2, Jupiter. Option number 3, Neptune. And option number 4, Uranus. Oh, let's see. Great going, everyone. Let's see who's getting this correct. I can see you all have done your homework pretty well. Rock and roll. Amazing job, guys. Very nice. I'm just amused. Fantastic. Great going. Wow, Manan has answered. Kapil Sharma. So many answers. So cool. Nice. Okay. Time's up for this one. Let's roll with the next question now. Question number 4 comes your way. So this is the question. Which planet is covered largely by water? Hello, Archita miss. Yeah. Which planet, I'm repeating the question again. Which planet, hi Sia, is covered largely by water? Okay. And the options are option number 1, Uranus. Option number 2, Neptune. Option number 3, Jupiter. And option number 4, Earth. Wow, the Josh is very good. Really good today. Fab job, you guys. You're doing amazing. Amazing. Hi, Rishi. Hello, Samay. Wow, so many correct answers are pouring in. Wow, amazing. Nice. But the trick here is you need to be fast and correct at the same time. Okay. Let's move on to the 5th question now. Excited about the 5th question? Here it is. Which planet is called the morning star? I repeat the question again. Which planet is called the morning star? Option number 1, Jupiter. Option number 2, Venus. Option number 3, Mars. Option number 4, Saturn. Whoa, nice. Let's see who gets this one right. Very good. Good going, mind benders. You all are doing just great. Keep rocking. You all are doing amazing. Wow. Answers are pouring in. You all know quite a lot. All mind benders are reading a lot and have come well prepared for this quiz, huh? Nice. Very good. Okay. So time's up for this question too. So we move on to the next question, that is question 6. Let's see who's lucky for question 6. Okay, question 6 reads, Hi Rainbow, add our Rainbow, hello, waves to you too. Okay, question 6 reads, Titan is one of the moons of which planet? I repeat the question. Titan is one of the moons of which planet? Option number 1, Jupiter. Option number 2, Venus. Option number 3, Saturn. And option number 4, Earth. Okay, great. Fantastic. So you are taking time to think and answer. Great. Thanks to you guys, I'm getting to revise and learn so much more about our neighbors of the solar system. It's wonderful. Great. It's always fun to keep learning and revising, isn't it? So, yes. Come on, everyone. More answers. Amazing job, guys. Very nice. Hi, Amisha. Waves to you too. Hello. Okay. So don't worry about who's first and who's not. You all just have to answer. There is a team that is working towards who's right, who's wrong and all. So you just enjoy the quiz and answer correctly. And try to answer fast. Okay. So let's roll with question number 7. So question Samay. Samay, no, Vihan was first Samay. Now that's what I'm saying. Don't decide amongst yourself, students. Let the team decide who's first, because just pay attention on the quiz and try to answer correctly. Okay? Let's not discuss all this here. Let's roll with question number 7. Question 7 reads, Phobos and Deimos are the natural satellites of which planet? I repeat the question. Phobos and Deimos are the natural satellites of which planet? Option 1, Mars. Option 2, Mercury. Option 3, Neptune. And option 4, Uranus. I know it's a little tricky question, but I am sure you guys are gonna get it, because y'all are just doing fab. Superb. I like the spirit here. And it's just wonderful. Saturday morning, Goa's Liberation Day, and we are celebrating, and how? Nice. Okay. Let the answers keep rolling. Superb. Hi, Zucchini Harika. Hello, waves to you too. Hello, good morning. Ha, come on. Superb. Okay, so let's get on with question number 8, which reads, the moon is the Earth's dash, a box there. So the moon is the Earth's box. Now fill in the box. Option number 1, star. Option number 2, planet. Option number 3, natural satellite. And option number 4, none of the above. Okay. Students are thinking and then typing. Nice. I like it. Very nice. It's so wonderful, you know, to see all you young minds just battling it out. Amazing. Amazing. Keep it up, mind benders. Keep it up. Just lovely to see you guys here and rolling it. Just amazing. Okay. Great, Shrida. There's so many answers pouring in. Very good. Let's get going with question 9. So question 9, here it is. Which is the smallest planet of our solar system? So I repeat the question again. Which is the smallest planet of our solar system? Miss, there is a delay, so I can never hear the options. Okay, I'll repeat it again. Which is the smallest planet of our solar system? Option 1, Mercury. Option 1, Mercury. Option 2, Uranus. Option 2, Uranus. Option 3, Saturn. Option 4, Mars. Option 1, Mercury. Option 2, Uranus. Option 3, Saturn. And option 4, Mars. Okay, there can be a delay because of internet issues all over the world. So all I can do is I can repeat the question again for you, or the options, which I did. So let's see whether the internet is working fine for you now, Hriday. All right, come on, answers please. Amazing. Very good, Manan. Amazing. This is easy. Come on, mind benders. We need the correct answers and fast. Yes, very good. All right, mind benders. We move on to the next question, which is question 10. And the question says, which is the hottest planet of our solar system? There are 15 questions altogether. Okay, this is the 10th one which I'm reading right now. Which is the hottest planet of our solar system? Option number 1, Mercury. Option number 2, Venus. Option number 3, Jupiter. And option number 4, Earth. I repeat the options. Option number 1, Mercury. Option number 2, Venus. Option number 3, Jupiter. And option number 4, Earth. Whoa, simply superb. I am really having such a wonderful time with all of you. This is wonderful, truly amazing. Truly amazing. Great. More answers pouring in. Nice. Fine. Let's move on to question 11. Everyone's ready for it? Question 11. Last 5 questions. You'll need to be more excited. Even if you've not gotten the previous ones right, this is your time to cover up. Yes? So let's move on to question number 11. And it says, find the jovial planet among the following. So, I repeat the question again. Find the jovial planet among the following. Option 1, Mars. Option 2, Earth. Option 3, Venus. Option 4, Uranus. I repeat the options again. Option 1, Mars. Option 2, Earth. Option 3, Venus. And option 4, Uranus. Wow, y'all are doing a fab job. Vansh Latia has already answered. Simply outstanding. Anya, Samay, great. Priyanka Dalmia, hello, hi. Waves to you too. Great, outstanding. Amazing. Please remember, write the question number correct and the option number. Yes? Wow. Nice. Great going, guys. Y'all are amazing. And it's such a beautiful day today. Great. Fine. We continue with the next question. Question number 12. And it reads, which statement describes the atmosphere of the planet correctly? The question reads, I'm repeating the question again. Which statement describes the atmosphere of the planet correctly? Miss, why are they answering before question options are given? They are answering after the question options are given. If they feel that the correct option is this, then they obviously answer at that time. Okay, so which statements describes the atmosphere of the planet correctly? Okay, the options are, listen carefully. Option number 1, Venus is mostly carbon dioxide. Option number 2, Mercury is mostly nitrogen. Option number 3, Earth is mostly oxygen. And option number 4, Saturn is mostly helium. I repeat the question options again. Venus is mostly carbon dioxide is option number 1. Mercury is mostly nitrogen, option number 2. Earth is mostly oxygen, option number 3. And Saturn is mostly helium is option number 4. Superb. Spectacular. I can see once I finish the options, students are just answering. I mean, you all know it so well. I am just amused. Seriously. How are you guys doing this? Great. You all have been reading a lot and it's just amazing. So inspiring. Really. Great, guys. Amazing job. Fine. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Question number 13. Okay, so we are at question number 13 now. So there are only 3 questions left, 13, 14 and 15. You still have time to recover in case you've gotten many questions wrong. Okay, let's start with question number 13. To weigh roughly 2/3 less than the weight of at the Earth, what planet would you be on? I repeat the question. To weigh roughly 2/3 of that of the Earth, what planet would you be on? Option number 1, Uranus. Option number 2, Mars. Option number 3, Venus. And option number 4, Jupiter. Okay, I repeat the options. Option number 1, Uranus. Option number 2, Mars. Option number 3, Venus. And option number 4, Jupiter. Amazing, guys. Great. Now, I would definitely ask all the students not to converse or complain regarding the internet or say the options, because everyone's doing the right thing. Okay. After I read out the options, they are answering, so everything's going right. So students, please don't complain. Try to focus on the quiz. Yes, let's focus on the quiz and let's make it interesting. Correct? Okay, lots of options, lots of answers pouring in. Amazing job, Shrida. Great. Okay, now moving on to the 14th, that is the second last question. Let's see who gets this one right. How old is the solar system? I repeat the question. How old is the solar system? Option number 1, 5,000. Hello, Rainbow Tree Creatives. Hello, hi. Option number 1, 5,000 years. Option number 2, 5 million years. Option number 3, 5 billion years. And option number 4, 500 billion years. I repeat the options. Option 1, 5,000. Option 2, 5 million. Option 3, 5 billion. And option 4, 500 billion. All right, mind benders. Come on. Great going. Simply fantabulous. You're doing such an amazing job. Great. Wow. Yes, let the answers keep pouring. Very good. Amazing. Very nice. Okay. Now it's time. Okay, someone has written the answer. As I said, don't write the answers. Try to adhere to the rules, which is just writing the option number. It becomes easy for you too. Okay. All right, mind benders. We move on to the last question now. Question 15. And we have a countdown for this question. So the countdown begins. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and here it is. Which of the following planets in the solar system, hi Hippie, Ollie, which of the following planets in the solar system takes the shortest revolution? I repeat the question again. Which of the following planets in the solar system takes the shortest revolution? Okay. The options are option number 1, Neptune. Option number 2, Mars. Option number 3, Mercury. And option number 4, Venus. Option 1, Neptune. Option 2, Mars. Option 3, Mercury. And option 4, Venus. Whoa, simply superb. Go at it. Simply superb. Oh, I'm really enjoying this. It's so much fun. Seriously, you guys are just fab. Great. Let the answers keep pouring. This was question number 15, guys. Amazing job. This was the last question. Come on. Great going. Okay, can you tell the results? I just mentioned something. I said that the results will be announced tomorrow on this page, correct? And there will be 3 winners. Okay, so we are done with all the 15 questions and we have all the answers from you mind benders. Alright, people, hold your horses till we announce the 3 winners of today's quiz in the post tomorrow. So keep checking this site, keep checking the page tomorrow, so that you understand who are those 3 winners who are going to get vouchers. Okay, so hold your horses till tomorrow. Now it's important to keep yourselves up and about in this pandemic situation, right? And Mindbenders is just the right place for you all. So I'm going to wind up for today. Right now we're going to wind up, and I will see you in the next quiz, which will happen in January, and the post will be sent on the same page. Okay, so the date will be sent across on this page. Keep checking the page, keep enjoying, keep taking care of yourselves and your family, and see you soon. Okay, so see you, take care, and have a nice day. Thank you so much. Thank you for saying that I was a very good host. It really means a lot. Thank you so much. Thank you. Even I enjoyed a lot. Siona. Okay, vouchers for what? You need to wait for that, right? Don't we? So we'll see what the vouchers are. Gift vouchers, obviously. And tomorrow, the results will be announced. See you, everyone. Bye-bye. Have a nice day. Take care.